Welcome to our Betmgm guide. In this video, we'll show you how to cancel a withdrawal seamlessly. Sometimes, you may want to cancel a withdrawal for various reasons, whether it's a change of plans or reconsideration. Let's start by accessing your Betmgm account. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Withdrawal section to view your pending transactions. Take a moment to identify the pending withdrawal you wish to cancel. It'll be listed clearly. Now, click on the Cancel option next to the withdrawal you wish to cancel and confirm your decision. Make sure to double-check that your withdrawal has been successfully cancelled. You can find it updated in your account. Keep in mind, sometimes there may be delays or issues even after cancellation. Stay vigilant and keep checking your account. To avoid issues in the future, consider these best practices for managing your withdrawals effectively. And that's it. We hope this guide has made the process of cancelling a withdrawal easier for you. Thanks for watching.